Hi, this is Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors, and welcome to my newest listing here on 951 H De La Vega here in Calexico, California. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 1,300 square feet, tile flooring throughout, front and rear desert landscape, a covered patio, and much more. I can't wait to bring you inside and show you around. This home is listed for $309,900. If you'd like some more information or your own personal tour, please give me a call at 760-604-3166. Thank you.